Hello everyone, magandang oras sa ating lahat. Welcome to my videos. Maraming salamat sa panonood at lalo na sa mga nag-subscribe. Thank you guys. At kung bago ka pa lang dito sa aking videos, huwag kalimutan mag-like, comment, share, and subscribe para updated ka sa aking mga bagong upload na mga videos na mayroong magandang kasaysayan at halaga tungkol sa ating mga barya. Guys, ito yung 10 centimes ng France na mayroong taon ng 1995. So continue tayo guys, dito na tayo sa page 12. Napakahaba naman pala ang kwento nito noong unang panahon. So ito yung French Revolution guys, from 1795. Ang ating 5 centimes, the first year of the decimal fraction for the France. 1791, an assignat for the 5 livres. 1799, the 2 decimes. Page 12 na tayo guys, dito sa ating history na napakaganda naman talaga ang history tungkol dito. The decimal France was established as the national currency by the National Convention of Revolutionary France. In 1795, as the decimal unit of 1 franc is equivalent to 10 decimes or 100 centimes of 4 grams of fine silver. This was the slightly less than the livre of 4.505 grams. But this France, or the France, was set in 1796 at the 1.0125 livres. 1 livre, 3 dinars, reflecting in part the fast minting of substandard coins. Silver coins now had their denomination clearly marked as 5 francs, and it was made obligation or obligatory to the quote prices in France. This ended the ancient regime's practice of striking coins with no stated denomination, such as the Louis d'Or, and periodically issuing royal edicts to manipulate their value in terms of money. Of account the livre tournois, the francs became the official currency of France in 1799. Coinage with explicit denominations and in decimal fractions of the francs also began in 1795. Decimalization of the francs was mandated by an act of 7 April 1795, which also dealt with the decimalization of weights and measures. France led the world in adopting the metric system, and it was the second country to convert from a non-decimal to a decimal currency following Russia's conversion in 1704. And the third country to adopt a decimal coinage, also following the United States in 1787. France is the first decimal coinage used allegorical figures symbolizing revolutionary principles like the coinage designs the United States had adopted in 1793. The circulation of the metallic currency declined during the Republic. The old gold and silver coins were taken out of the circulation and exchanged for printed assignats, initially issued as bonds backed by the value of the confiscated goods of churches, but later declared as a legal tender currency. The withdrawn gold and silver coins were used to France the French Revolutionary Wars and to import food, which was in short supply. As during the Mississippi Bubble in 1715 to 1720, too many assignats were pulled in the circulation exceeding the value of the national properties and the Queen's due also to the military requisitioning and hoarding rare feed to pay foreign suppliers. With the national government debt remaining unpaid and shortage of silver and brass to mint coins, confidence in the new currency decline, leading to hyperinflation, more food riots, severe political instability, and termination of the First Prince Republic, and the political fall of the French Convention. Then followed the economic failure of the director. Coins were still very rare after a coup d'etat that led to the consulate the first consul progressively acquired sole legislative power at the expense of the other unstable and discredited consultative and legislative institution. So ito yung napakagandang coins naman talaga guys ng France